Assalamu alaikum, this is Amadur Rahman, and here in this lecture we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 3, more about programming language. And for that, open your books page number 26 and pause the video here and read out this page. Let's start. Human use languages to communicate, computer have their own languages to communicate. The term programming language include wide varieties of languages जिससे हम कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. We can communicate with computer through programming languages and it involves 3 steps: algorithm, flowchart and program computing. Now, what is algorithm and flowchart? Do you know when someone builds a house? Before construction, he makes a plan on paper because it helps to modify the ideas for construction and for their results. So to save the time and the effort, we use techniques known as algorithm and flowchart. We all know that whenever computer performs any task, जब भी कभी कंप्यूटर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है, it takes several steps to reach that output. So we need algorithm and flowchart for defining those steps for doing a particular task. Algorithms and flowchart both are written in simple languages and both are the step-by-step instruction for the computer. They decide the flow of program, that is how the computer will solve the problem, so that everyone can understand the method. And like we take an example of algorithm to write a letter. Step 1, take a pen. Step 2, take a paper. Step 3, write the letter. Step 4, fold the paper and put it in an envelope. Step 5, close the envelope. Step 6, write the address. Step 7, apply glue and paste the stamp. Step 8, go to the post box and drop the envelope. Now you know algorithm and flowchart both are used for showing the steps of your computer program. But what is the difference between algorithm and flowchart? Algorithm is the sequential and lengthy steps, but the flowchart is a pictorial representation of your program on the basis of the algorithm. और जब हम फ्लो चार्ट बनाते हैं, drawing a flow chart, it makes it easier to understand the logic of the program. Flowchart is just a diagram that helps to understand what algorithm says, and there are different symbols or shapes that we use to write different kinds of the instruction of the program. Like oval is used at the beginning and the end of the program. Like parallelogram. Parallelogram is used for the input and output of the program. Rectangle. It is used for processing calculations. Diamond and rhombus. It is used when there is a need to choose between two options, like true or false, yes or no. Flow lines or arrows. It shows the flow of logic of the flowchart. Like here is an example of flowchart to add two numbers. So today we discussed how we can communicate with the computer, what is algorithm and flowchart. We also discussed the different kinds of shapes or symbols that we use in flowchart. Now complete the question in your notebook and make a flow chart of the given problem of page number 27 of your textbook.